Welcome to Effortless Automation. Unlock Appium testing skills in 30 minutes. In this first lesson, we're taking the essential first step in our journey towards mastering mobile app testing with Appium. We're going to register with Cobiton. Let's get started. The goal of today's lesson is simple: to get you up and running with Cobiton. By registering, you'll unlock access to Cobiton's comprehensive suite of mobile testing tools. And the best part? You'll receive 60 minutes of testing time absolutely free, which is more than enough for this course. So, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to cobiton.com. Here, you'll find a wealth of resources on mobile testing. But for now, our focus is on getting you registered. Look for the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will open a new tab. Under the Sign In fields, you'll see Don't have an account, register now. Go ahead and click Register Now to start the registration process. You'll need to enter some basic information: your first and last name, a username, your email address, a password, and your phone number. Be sure to read and agree to the license terms. And if you're not a robot like me, make sure to click the I'm not a robot checkbox. Then hit register. Check your email for a message from Cobiton. It will contain a Verify Email button. Click it to confirm your email address, and you'll be redirected to the login page. Now, log in using either your username or email address, along with the password you just created. Once logged in, you'll land on the device list page. Make sure the Public Devices tab is selected. This is where the fun begins. You now have access to hundreds of devices for testing. Congratulations! You've successfully registered with Cobiton and are now ready to embark on your journey to becoming an automation tester using Appium. The world of mobile testing is at your fingertips with Cobiton. In the next lesson, we'll dive into performing your first manual test. See you there!